Dogs truly make our home a happier place. Whether we're playing fetch with them or just relaxing, they truly are our best companions. Now, there's no such thing as 100% dog-proof flooring. However, there are plenty of different types of flooring available with great features. Some of the key features you should look for are water resistance and scratch resistance. From muddy paws to a knocked-over water bowl, water-resistant floors make these messes far easier to clean up. Even wood floors are a viable flooring option for dogs, as long as it's properly sealed and protected with a quality water-resistant finish. The most popular scratch-resistant flooring option available is tile. Today, porcelain and ceramic tile are even available in long wooden planks that perfectly match grain patterns, colors, and textures of actual wood flooring. If you prefer natural wood floors, we recommend you compare some of your favorite wood species to others on the Janka Hardness Scale in terms of hardness and resistance to dents. Some of the most popular wood flooring species numbers are red oak northern 1290, white oak 1360, hickory 1820, and Brazilian cherry 2350. Looking for something other than wood flooring? You're in luck. There are plenty of popular options to choose from, including laminate and luxury vinyl plank flooring, made with new materials, new construction methods, and new installation methods that will deliver a better and longer-lasting experience for you and your dogs. Whether you plan on keeping your home for a long time or you intend to move in the near future, the right floor will make an excellent impression. Please take your time choosing your new floor. It's one of the most important investments you can make. At Flooring Direct, we're here to help. Choose the flooring that best suits you and your pet's needs and makes you happy. Visit Flooring Direct for the new, high-quality floors you've been dreaming of. Call to schedule your free estimate today.